Today I wanted to give you a quick update on two apps that I will be covering on my channel. Now, the first app is eazyBI. I don't think I have ever made a video on eazyBI, although I talked about it, but I don't really remember doing like a series of videos on just eazyBI, talking about different kind of reports that you can create using eazyBI. But anyways, now I have decided to cover this app. eazyBI, in case you don't know, is an app that you can use to enhance the reporting in Jira. Although you can create good reports in Jira out of the box, you have the option to create dashboards with different gadgets, and you also have the project specific reports. But those reports are not always enough in case you want to do some deep analysis, you want to create your own customized report, and you want it to look like in a specific way. You can do that using eazyBI. eazyBI is more or less like a BI based solution, and the good thing is that it is also on cloud. So I will be making these videos on cloud so that you can also follow, because I think everyone who is trying to adopt Jira, they are going for, of course, the cloud version as their first option, or the data center version. But the good thing about eazyBI is that it has, the features or the functionality is almost same on cloud. The second app that I want to cover is Insight. Earlier this year, or maybe late last year, I did talk about Insight. I think I made one video on Insight, but for some reason I never really continued making more videos on Insight. Insight, I'm talking about Insight, not eazyBI. So I will be now covering Insight in a bit more detail. Insight, as you all know, is now acquired by Atlassian, and the good thing is that Insight is there on cloud. You can use it, but the functionality is not same. But I'm sure Atlassian is working on it. Atlassian is working on improving the feature set of Insight on cloud. So both of these apps, Insight and eazyBI, and I will be making videos. I will be using the cloud version of Jira, not the server version. So you can also follow it, because I think cloud is now definitely the number one choice for majority of organizations. And talking about these two apps, I also want to talk about Jira Service Management. Now, Jira Service Desk was recently rebranded, and not just rebranded, but Atlassian has also added more features to Jira Service Desk, and now they are calling it as Jira Service Management, because they also have integration with other tools, I believe Opsgenie. So I will try to cover some real world examples where you can use Insight for asset management, along with, of course, Jira Service Desk, or I should say Jira Service Management, and in case you want to report on it, you can use eazyBI. So my examples would be focused on ITSM and things that you may want to do in case you're trying to evaluate or use Jira Service Desk / Jira Service Management. And of course, now I think it is the right time to also start talking about Opsgenie. I think I did talk about it. I think I showed Opsgenie. I don't really remember, but I think I did cover it briefly. So Opsgenie is also something that I will now cover. So just to give you a quick recap: Opsgenie, Jira Service Management, eazyBI, and Insight. So these things, these different apps, and of course how they can work together, is something that I really want to now talk about, and not just talk about. I want to create tutorials so that in case you want to do something with these apps, you can follow those tutorials and you can learn more about it. I have a lot of videos on Jira Service Desk on my channel, both on server and cloud. And I think so I was actually waiting for I didn't really create like all the videos on Jira Service Desk on cloud, but now with the introduction of Jira Service Management, I think I should now cover and talk about Jira Service Management and how you can use these apps together. So that is all I wanted to talk about in today's video. Thank you very much.